because it's not plugged up to none. It's literally just sitting there. So take that out, get that up out of here, and then we covering up here. This is my wiper motor. I literally don't have to unscrew nothing. Like I said, I'm just gonna use my hand to put on the tabs to hold it on there and then do it like that. So I'll show y'all the piece. So here go the piece. Like I said, the Oldsmobile Jet logo is just a wiper motor cover. The tabs are back here that I gotta use to put these on, and then as y'all can see, this is two separate pieces. So he pulled his piece off, put an LED strip in, and put that piece back in. I'll show y'all that in a second, but like I said, I'm not gonna put no LED strip in, most likely not. I'm just gonna run it like this. It's pretty dope, man. A little custom piece, a custom touch under the hood, you feel me? This is dope. Like I said, it's mounted on there, it ain't gonna go nowhere. It look good, man, it look good. Like I said, cover up that wiper motor. Now if he make anything else, and I'm able to find out about it, I'm gonna try and get something. But until then, that's the only piece we rocking out with. You feel what I'm saying? Like I said, something different, bro. You don't see this in everybody's cars. I'm probably the first y'all probably seen it, unless y'all done seen it on TikTok. But man, like I'm telling y'all, man, this is dope. You feel me? It's really dope, man. Really dope. I like it. What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce, back with another video, bro. I'm excited, man, because I got this 3D printed Oldsmobile Jet logo wiper motor cover for my Cutlass. You feel me? It's basically like a little custom piece. You feel me? It's like I said, it's 3D printed. I got it off eBay. I seen these videos of this dude basically making like 3D printing parts for the G bodies, door jamb vents. He even made like the look what do they call, like valences, you feel me, like on the Mustangs when they have the rear windows. He made some for these quarter windows, which I thought was pretty dope, but it's not something I put on my car, just to be honest with y'all. But and he also made the wiper motor covers. Basically, I got this, like I said, he's a small business, you feel me, so I'm basically supporting a small business. But I also thought, like I said, I thought it was dope, and it'd be something different to put in my Cutlass. You really don't see too many people, I haven't seen too many people buy this part. I've seen like 2 other videos that outside of the actual person who made these that bought them, you feel me? So I was like, man, let me go ahead and get this, make a video on it, be something dope, something different, and to give y'all idea too if y'all want to get one. So like I said, I got this off eBay. It's about $80 after paying for shipping. Shipping was like $15, the part was like $60, and then tax, so it came up to about $80. Like I said, like 79 and some change for me anyways. My tax might be different from y'all tax, but yeah, it came out to about like 79, right at $80, 79 some change. And like I said, it's just something that I add, like some like little customization to under the hood, you feel me, some custom to under the hood. And I think, like I said, I think it's gonna be real dope, bro. It's gonna look dope. It's not hard to install at all. I don't have to take no bolts or nothing off. It come with these little tabs, so you just screw these tabs onto the factory screws that's on the wiper motor, and it's done, simple like that. But I have this one little circle part on there. I don't know what the part is, y'all will let me know, but it's not hooked up to nothing, so I'm finna take it out and just put it up, you feel me? Like I said, it ain't hooked up to nothing, it's literally just screwed into the wheel well. I'm finna go ahead and just take that out, just so that Oldsmobile Jet logo 3D printed wiper motor cover piece, it'll show a little bit more. That'll be one of the first things you see, you feel me, when you look in that direction on this driver's side where my power wire is. So like I said, we're finna install in this video. Should be quick and easy, bro. It should not be hard at all, and call it a day. I might try to record one more video if I'm able to, but it's looking like it's gonna start getting dark here soon, so I need to hurry up and try to get this one done, and then that'll depend on if I have enough time to record another video. So hope y'all enjoyed this video though, man. Hope I'll give y'all a little idea to go shop with this dude on eBay and get y'all a little G-body part. Like I said, it ain't just Oldsmobile. He make G-bodies for all the G-bodies. The El Caminos, the SS Camaros, the Regal, and the Cutlass. You feel me? The Oldsmobile. So G-body, if you got your G-body part, his name is literally G-body Forge 3D. You feel me? 3D printing, 3D print the parts. And if he makes something else, you feel me, that I think I can use to customize my car, I'm gonna get it. The only reason why I didn't get his door jamb vents is because I already got the billet door jamb vent, so it was a little too late. You feel me? I seen this after I had already been to had this. So, but yeah, and shipping was like 4 or 5 days, so it wasn't too long shipping. It's pretty nice. You feel me? Nice timing, I could say. Nice timing. So Like I said, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all like the video for me. Hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn that post notification bell to all the way y'all get notified as soon as I drop a video. Share the channel, share this video, road to 5,000 subscribers, so I need y'all help to hit that goal. Share the channel, share the video, subscribe if you're new. Post the channel and the video on all social media platforms if y'all can. Screen record the videos if y'all want to and post them on the different social medias. And tell your family and friends come subscribe, bro. It's free, it don't cost nobody nothing, and it helps me and my channel grow. So at least for them to come and subscribe to the channel, bro. Other than that, I catch y'all as soon as I get outside the car. Alright, so if y'all did not check out the last video, go check out the video before the last one. We went ahead and unboxed this. But like I said, I'm finna take this out because it's not plugged up to none. It's literally just sitting there. So take that out, get that up out of here, and then we covering up here. This is my wiper motor. I literally don't have to unscrew nothing. Like I said, I'm just gonna use my hand to put on the tabs to hold it on there and then do it like that. Now on his pictures of him selling this piece, he had an LED strip behind his. I could do that, but then only this part will be lit up whenever I pop my hood, so I don't know if I really want to. I might do it, you feel me? Honestly, I don't know. Most likely not though. I'd rather just have that Jet logo, and then whenever I pop my hood, you'll see it. But yeah, that's how we finna do it. Like I said, I'm finna get this off first. There should be 2 screws up under here, or 2 bolts. I mean, they should be 10s. Hopefully they 10s. And then we're gonna go ahead and get this out. So let me sit y'all here. Good. And then I want to show y'all the piece. So here go the piece. Like I said, the Oldsmobile Jet logo is just a wiper motor cover. The tabs are back here that I got to use to put these on. And then as y'all can see, this is 2 separate pieces. So he pulled his piece off, put an LED strip in, and put that piece back in. I'll show y'all that in a second. But like I said, I'm not gonna put no LED strip in, most likely not. I'm just gonna run it like this. It's pretty dope, man. A little custom piece, a custom touch under the hood, you feel me? So yeah, let's get this piece off first. And I don't know if I told y'all, but I got 2 torque wrenches now. I got the smaller one for these sockets. Got the smaller torque wrench, and then I got the torque wrench to torque my wheel lugs now. So I do have 2 torque wrenches now. I don't know if I told y'all, but I told y'all now. You feel me? Told y'all now. Alright, let's get this last one off. There we go. Both bolts are now out, and this can come off. Like I said, it ain't even hooked up to nothing. So yeah, just take this out. I don't see no line that it's supposed to be hooked up to. No, don't see nothing. So yeah, go ahead and take this out. I'm gonna put the bolts back in it, and I'm gonna put this in my little parts box. Ain't no need me having it under here, because like I said, I don't see no hose to connect to it, no lines connect to it. It's literally nothing on it. And I can't find the hose or no line that's missing. So, yeah, I don't see nothing. Oh, I see it now. It's right here. Is it? It's not tight. Yeah, I'm taking it out, bro. I don't even know what it's due. So yeah, I'm taking it out. I'm not even gonna worry about it, to be honest with y'all. Yeah, I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm taking it out. If I want to put it back in, I can put it back in. But now let's put this on. Go ahead and undo this master tape that I used to hold on my clips. Here go the clips, like I said, that I'm gonna use that'll tighten onto these screws back here, the factory screws. So oh dang it. Oh, it's gone too. Dang it. I just freaking dropped one. Now I can't find it. Where did it fall? dang it, bro. Trying to move too quick, trying to do too much, and now I done lost one of them. I gotta find it because I need it. I need it. Alright, give me a second, man. Let me try and find this piece and I'm gonna come back to y'all. Man, when I tell y'all I just fought to get this little piece, bro. The screw-on piece, I now have both tabs. I need to calm down. I got both tabs, as y'all can see. Boy, when I tell y'all I just fought trying to get that out because it was trying to go under the radiator. Then I'll have to take everything apart, lift the radio. It was too much, bro. It was too much. I gotta start calming down, bro, instead of trying to move so fast. So let's go ahead, put this on. Like I said, this is two separate pieces, so it do pop apart, as you can see. So the back piece, like I said, you can put lighting in here if you want, but yeah, I'm not doing that. I'm not gonna do it, so I'm just gonna. I need to be careful so I don't break this. I'm just gonna run it just like this. So if I set it like this on here, and like I said, you don't gotta take nothing apart. You use the factory mounting screws and just twist this on. You twist it on by hand. I'm gonna sit this down so I don't drop it again because I can't afford to lose them. So just twist this on, just like that, and you use your hand, bro. You just hand tighten. That's it. There we go. Got one on. Let's do the second one. Be careful so I don't drop this. Just like that, man. I'm done. Like I said, you go by hand. You don't need no tools. And now it's on. It is on. Wiper motor cover is on. Y'all can't tell me that ain't dope. You feel me? Like I said, just a little small look Oldsmobile, a small little custom touch to the car, man. You feel what I'm saying? Y'all can see my rubber grommet down there protecting my power wire. Yeah, man. Y'all can't tell me this ain't dope, bro. This is dope. Like I said, mounted down there. It ain't gonna go nowhere. It look good, man. It look good. Like I said, cover up that wiper motor. Now, if he make anything else, and I'm able to find out about it, I'm gonna try and get something. But until then, that's the only piece we rocking out with. You feel what I'm saying? Like I said, something different, bro. You don't see this in everybody's cars. I'm probably the first y'all probably seen it, unless y'all done seen it on TikTok. But man, like I'm telling y'all, man, this is dope. You feel me? It's really dope, man. Really dope. I like it. Like I said, y'all just let me know what y'all think, though. That little box, you feel me? I'm guessing it went to the wiper motor. Like I said, I really don't know what the hose went to. I don't know, but excuse me. Yeah, it's gone for now. You feel me? If I figure out something, if I figure out what it go to, if I need it, if I figure out that I do need it, I put it back and figure out. But like I said, it wasn't hooked up to nothing. And then I'm finna get me a new radiator overflow tank because mine is cracked. I'm just gonna go back with an OEM one. You feel me? I'm not gonna. I was trying to find a aluminum one, but I can't find one. So I'm just gonna go back and get a OEM one. And yeah, I want to get this fan shroud out of here because I feel like if I have electric fans, it'll give me a little bit more space and it won't look as cluttered. And I just need to really just clean up under here, bro. It just need a good little washing. So yeah, other than that, man, like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think. Y'all know we just replaced the hood latch. Now I'm gonna throw all this back in my charger. Then go in the charger, and this goes in the trash along with this box. Trash. So like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think, bro. How y'all think it came out. I'm finna record my video for TikTok, and that'll be the end, man. So let me know what y'all think, and I'll catch y'all in a second for the outro. Alright y'all, so that's gonna be the end of this one, man. Like I said, I was gonna record one more video, but the next one would have been on the box Chevy. But honestly, I'm gonna just wait till tomorrow. Just do it tomorrow and then hook the battery up to this car, start this car up, because it ain't been started in like 2 months. And I'm gonna probably take this car around the block, you feel me, just to get the fluids flowing, you feel me, instead of just letting it sit here. I'm gonna put it in drive, go around a couple blocks. Like I said, I can't go fast in this car because of my steering, you feel me, my front suspension. So I'm not gonna go too far. Like I said, just around a couple blocks, and yeah, just to get the fluids flowing, keep everything flowing good. I need to start coming out here, starting this car a couple times a week instead of just letting it sit. But yeah, it is what it is, you feel me, everything gonna get done. But like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think, how y'all feel about the wiper motor cover. Like I said, I like it, bro, and know when I let the hood down, it don't touch nothing, hit nothing, you feel me. I just tested it out. Everything shuts good, everything works perfect, and it looks good. Like I said, it looks really good. So like I said, I really want y'all opinion though. Y'all let me know what y'all think, how y'all feel about it, how y'all think it came out. Personally, bro, I really like it. I really do. I like it, bro, and I think it looks fantastic. I think it came out good. I think the concept of the product is really smart and really good. Like I said, that's not something you'll see all the time, you feel me, a wiper motor cover. I don't know, it's just technology now, bro. Y'all know stuff is just coming. It came a long way, and it's just gonna keep going and going and going and going. Like, technology ain't gonna slow down no time soon, and for him to think of something like that, man, I think it's really dope, bro. So if y'all got a G-body, y'all want one of them parts, my personal opinion, I think y'all should get one, bro. I mean, it's $80, like I said, after shipping. But I don't know, I think it's something different, bro. I think it look good. So, but like I said, y'all leave y'all opinion in the comments. Let me know what y'all think, how y'all feel about it, how y'all think it came out. Me personally, bro, like I said, I like it, and I'm glad I got it, bro. And like I said, some different content. Some of y'all ain't seen. Well, I don't know if y'all ever seen it or not, but just guessing, some of y'all ain't seen. But other than that, man, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure y'all like the video for me. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn that post notification bell to auto where y'all get notified as soon as I drop a video. Share the channel, share the video, subscribe. Post the channel and the videos on all social media platforms across. Tell your family and friends to come and subscribe if y'all can. You feel me? Just try to help me grow this channel. I need y'all help. I can't do it alone. And if y'all want to, screen record the videos and post them on different social medias. This if y'all want to, you feel what I'm saying? Other than that, I'm gonna keep grinding. I'm grinding out TikTok right now, so yep, that's another social media platform that I'm trying to grow. Like I said, I'm just trying to grow my image, grow my cars, grow my page, my channel, and I don't even care about being the biggest, bro. I just want the channel to grow a little bit more. I want the channel to show me that my effort that I'm putting in is paying off. You feel what I'm saying? But other than that, like I said, this car's finna get dropped off. I'm guessing maybe like a week. You feel me? I'm trying to see when the dude gotta open it so I can get my front suspension kit thrown on, and it's another $1,000 thrown at this car, bro. But y'all know it come with the car game, man. You know, can't go cheap with these cars. You gotta get everything done, and you gotta maintain these cars. You feel me? Y'all know this. Y'all ain't new to this. So, but other than that, it's gonna be the end of this one. Tomorrow, like I said, I'm gonna start up the car and I'm gonna give y'all that video of the music. Might break it up in 2 videos. One video being the door panel speakers, the other video being the subwoofers. Might break it up into 2 videos, and then I'm trying to think what else video I can give y'all tomorrow. Like I said, I gotta record a video on my box Chevy. The part came in, so that'll be tomorrow as well. And I don't know, I might make a video showing y'all the wheels I'm thinking about getting for that car. I don't know. Like I said, we'll figure it out. Other than that, hope y'all enjoyed, man. I love y'all, appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.